November 2025, guys, still out there on the water here in Florida. So just got the skis cleaned up, put away. Take a look at some of this video from a couple of the mounts that are offered by us, NRGcreativ, that you can get right now for the Cyber Monday sale that is going on through December 1st. So check out this video. Click on the links, take advantage.